Hi friends, welcome to A to Z Learning channel. Today's video is about a company result. Yes, this afternoon, HDFC, our Housing Development Finance Corporation, has announced their Q4 results. So now we have the full picture in terms of how HDFC has done over the course of 2020-21 financial year, particularly highlighting their performance for the last quarter, which was from January 21 to March 21. HDFC is a big component in the Nifty stocks, so therefore it is very, very important to know what trend, what direction, what indication we are going to get from their results this quarter. So without any further delay, let's start and look at key highlights of the results. So as I said, that is key highlights. So it will be very brief. So first of all, let's look at the profits. Net profits. HDFC has confirmed that their net profits have increased by 42% year in year for this quarter. Their assets under management have risen by 10.3%. Their net interest income has also gone up by 14%. When you look at their kind of loan book, their individual loan part, because they are a housing loan company, so their individual loan part has grown by 19%, and the average loan size that they are now approving, dispersing to their client is about 31 lakh rupees, so which has gone up slightly. This also indicates that the real estate prices have gone up in India, or people are also moving from a affordable housing, affordable homes to high-end homes as well. So that's the reason the average ticket size, average loan size is also kind of gone up slightly for HDFC. Then the question comes how their assets are performing. Are they able to collect the money? So good news there is gross non-performing loans are just under 2% for them. And if you look at this in the context of individual loans as well as non-individual loans, their individual loan non-performing asset is less than 1%, which is a very, very good number. So overall, their non-performing loans stood at 2%, which is a good performance. Other efficiency indicator that I always look at in these companies is what is their cost to income ratio. So there also HDFC has got a very good news. Their cost to income ratio for the last financial year, which finished in March 2020, was 9%, but the same has now come down to 7.7% for the year that is ending in March 21. So that's again a good improvement in the efficiency. A lot of this is also as a result of digital being the channel that people are choosing to get their loan. And of course, the pandemic over the course of last 1 year has allowed companies to largely work from home. So this has reduced a lot of their administrative cost, and that's also reflected in the reduced cost to income ratio for HDFC. The other indicator is the collection efficiency. So it's one part is that the extending loan, dispersing loan. The other part is how quickly, how timely they're able to collect the money. Again, there is good news there. The collection efficiency, which was reduced over the course of this year, to kind of more like 95, 96%. Now it's back to 98%, which was the pre-pandemic level that they used to have. So overall, very, very good news across all the kind of key performance parameters for HDFC. I would say in one line that most of these performance metrics suggest that they have either performed in line with what analyst or street was expecting from them, or in some areas like net profit, assets under management, their collection efficiency, their cost to income ratio, they have done better than what analysts were expecting, the street was expecting. So overall, big thumbs up to HDFC for great results. But the story doesn't end there. As a shareholder, there's another kind of good news for you. If you're already a shareholder, you will be pleased to know that the board has approved a dividend payment, a final dividend payment of rupees 23 per share for every shareholder. Of course, the X date and all those things will be announced in the due course, but shareholders will get 23 rupees per share as the dividend. Stock price and the stock market, I think, reacted positively today. Overall, the stock closed about 2.74% higher than yesterday. The closing price was just over 2,496. At one point in time, it went up 2,500 also, but it closed at 2,496, which was 2.7% higher than yesterday. So overall, big thumbs up to the result as per me. If you're invested in HDFC, I think you should be pleased with the results and the performance, and particularly the dividend that they have announced. If you're thinking of investing, this company continue to convince everyone that for investing for long term, this remains a good company with the good management and good performance track record. So I hope that this short video of covering the key highlights of HDFC results, which were announced only a couple of hours before, is helpful for you. We would look forward to your comments on the content of this video. If you like our content, if you like this video, then we would urge you to please press the like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed our channel A to Z Learning as yet, we would again request you to please subscribe, become part of our viewers family so that you can also help us pick the topics that are of your interest for our future video. So thank you so much and good luck with your investment.